Hi to everybody. Today I want to do some test and I want to show you how I do the test. So if somebody interested to find the gold, how I do the test, you need to figure out how to do it too, then no have problem. So for do the test I don't need a lot. I'll just take like little two pieces. I crush it in, not crush it, I break it in half. There was one piece, but I try to figure out, do we have gold in this rock and how I can see that. So rock, you see they have brown lines and like 2-3 layers of quartz. Okay, and I want to see, because this is, I found next to the road quartz vein, and I decided to take some little rocks. What this is potential. See a lot of brown, and this is kind of lines over here. I like it. It's like, you see this one, yeah, everything is brown. So to figure out, do we have a gold, need to crush it. No need to crush very well, just a little bit, and see, and pan it. You just take, how say it, just heavy material and do the chemical test, aqua regia. Crush that rock, not a lot, just like little bit. I just want to see that do have gold or not, so I don't need to crush very small particles, and try to wash it. Okay, of course I don't take dust right now. It's no point is test not recovering gold, and I just need, if there is heavy material for the test, because all gold goes to the bottom and it's not swimming, nothing. Just use it. Always you need to pan it like that. Don't let air go to the bottom. If you pan it like on YouTube, you see mostly people, then you need to use all those chemicals like soap or something to eliminate tension of the water. But if you pan like this, always under water, don't let the bottom go to the air, then you don't have that problem. Okay, so I pan it, all that stuff, and let's see, do we have heavy material. See, barely you see that little things over here. Okay, it looks like I need to look in microscope. Looks like I see there's some little specks of gold. So right now I need to look in microscope. I be using some lupa glass. Just regular glass, you can see the gold. Look in microscope, I see few specks, microscopic pieces. So I need to get rid of this sand. Just leave that microscopic gold, which one is on this corner somewhere, and eliminate that sand. So I very carefully, without trying to wash all this sand, try to take away as possible more. That sand need to go away. See, this is one, I threw it away. Okay, and this one, try tap it. So I get rid of all the sand, useless materials, and you see the little specks of gold, very small, very small. Okay, and I can do the test of that way. You can even recover that gold. You see, I get eliminated all the sand. Okay, I throw all the sand, and heavy material stays in the pan or here, so no problem. So now I can add little bit water and go do the transfer everything to the beakers and do the chemical test. Okay, so let's go. Everything to the beaker, all that heavy material. You see how little left? Barely you can see it. Throw away water. Okay. And I adding right now some hydrochloric acid. Okay. 3 milliliters. And here I have solution potassium nitrite little bit. And putting on the heat. Okay. Putting heat. Let him get hot, because heat makes everything move faster, and that stuff starts dissolving. If you don't add heat, it takes for a while till everything get dissolved. So we dissolving everything what is in here. In my place is almost no way pirates, so I don't have problem with that one. And I actually never collect rocks with the pirate. If I see pirate, I throw away, because that is very difficult to recover and very little amount of gold, so no point playing with us pirates. So that way I dissolving this stuff. So let it work. When it get hot, it's right away reaction started. It looks like gold is dissolving. There is a lot of stuff. Solution became yellow, so means good sign, because there is very little amount of gold. But I do the test. I figure out those tests I doing for one reason. If I found gold in the rocks, that means all the quartz vein contains a gold. Then you can take a little bit more rocks from that vein. And gold you saw is very small, because it came from the liquid. Gold liquid was going in between those quartz veins, and when everything dry out, gold precipitate to metallic form, and now we getting that gold out. So you not think about getting nuggets in this place, because you know there was liquid. When liquid evaporates, you get very little small size gold crystals, and nuggets is very rare, and I'm not even looking for them, because in this place, California, I never see bigger like 1 millimeter gold particle. Okay, so let him boil till those bubbles stops coming up. You see the bubbles coming? When they stops coming up, then we done. Water is still hot and no more bubbles, so means we done with this solution. So let's add some urea. I always add urea, because need to kill the nitric if there is some. Very little here. Oh, you see nitric, and that way I'm killing nitric, taking out from heat. Okay, turn off that heater, and a little bit more urea. Okay, and that urea kills the nitric. And then I do next thing, transfer this solution to clean beaker, or here next to me. Okay. Okay. I don't want that debris be here. And then we just add stannous chloride. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Solution slowly changing the color. That means very little amount of gold and getting purple color. Okay, that vein where I got this rock contains gold. You see the purple? So means I can go to that place and try to look for bigger concentration of that gold. Okay, so you need to go and try to figure out where the gold is, where is a bigger amount of gold. So that means that ore contains a gold, and you can find a big rich deposit that way. Okay, thanks for watching. I wish you understand what I say. So, and you just leave it for like 5 hours or something, then gold goes down like here in this one beaker. You see gold on the bottom, and then you can continue working. So this is the same thing. You see this little purple, I got purple color. We have a gold, so I can put in the same place everything, let him stay there, and all gold be after a while. When it's little bit bigger amount, I just smelt it. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.